Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the mind-bending final of Apple TV Plus' sci-fi hit, Dark Matter. Buckle up, because things got crazy in that last episode, and we've got some burning questions that need answers. What does the end of Dark Matter Season 1 mean? Let's face it, the ending of Dark Matter left us with more questions than answers. Our hero, Jason Dessen, played by the awesome Joel Edgerton, finally escapes the clutches of the multiverse with his wife Daniela, the fantastic Elise Braga, and their son Charlie. But where exactly did they end up? Is it their original world, a whole new reality, or maybe even one Jason has visited before? The good news is, according to author and showrunner Blake Crouch, the ending was designed to be a love letter to fans of the book. But that doesn't mean the show is following the book exactly. In an interview, Edgerton himself hinted at extra surprises coming for viewers, even those familiar with the source material. Will Dark Matter Season 2 answer our questions about Ryan? Speaking of surprises, what about Ryan? Jimmy Simpson crushed his dual role as the good Ryan and the not-so-good alternate Ryan. The show cleverly weaved Ryan's story into the main plot, leaving us wondering if his connection to Daniela will continue in a potential Season 2. Let's be honest, keeping track of all the Jasons and their different realities was a wild ride. But that's what makes Dark Matter so addictive. To help you out, we've put together a handy recap video on the end screen explaining all the key alternate realities explored in Season 1. Okay, now that your memory is refreshed, let's get back to discussing the ending. The ambiguity surrounding the Dessen family's final destination is a great conversation starter. What are your theories? Did Jason bring them back to their original world, or is this a whole new reality with its own set of challenges? I think there is a chance Jason might have chosen a world he previously visited, one that seemed relatively safe for his family. But with so many evil Jasons out there, can they truly escape the dangers of the multiverse? If you haven't experienced the mind-bending world of Dark Matter yet, all 10 episodes of Season 1 are available to stream right now on Apple TV+. This show is a roller coaster of emotions. From the initial shock of Jason's world being shattered to the desperate hope for his family's reunion, Dark Matter keeps you on the edge of your seat. If you're a fan of sci-fi with a healthy dose of mystery and suspense, Dark Matter is a must-watch. It's got fantastic performances, mind-blowing twists, and a whole lot of questions that will leave you wanting more. Alright, everyone, that's all we have time for today. Let us know in the comments below what your theories are about the ending of Dark Matter. Do you think the Dessen family is finally safe, or is there more trouble brewing in the multiverse? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. We will see you next time.